Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at your ISN setup. Your ISN is your interactive science notebook that you will be using pretty much on a daily basis in class. It's going to be a good place for you to keep notes, for you to keep assignments. It's going to be a good study tool. You will have ISN quizzes about every 3 weeks, so you need to make sure that you keep up with your ISN so that you'll do well on those quizzes. Today in class, you received several sheets of paper that I told you that you needed to use to set up your notebook. So let's go ahead and get started. When you open up the inside front cover, this is where you're going to tape your formula chart. We are going to be using this formula chart very regularly, and you'll be getting very comfortable with all of the formulas on here. Page 1 is going to be your title page. Go ahead and put your name, the class period that you have me, Pre AP 8th grade science, Miss West, room 231, and then leave a spot to write in your clicker number. We will be taking clicker quizzes this year, and you will be assigned a clicker number at some point. Feel free to pause the video at any time and then resume it whenever you're ready to move on. On the back of page 1 is going to be page 2. Our table of contents is going to be kept on page 2. The first couple of pages are resources. We're going to have the 3 levels of questioning, test analysis, ISN quizzes, and thinking maps. And the first unit that we're going to start this year is the Weather and Oceans unit, which will start on page 7. Next to page 2 is page 3. This is where the 3 levels of questioning is going to go, and you need to go ahead and glue this sheet down on page 3. On the back of page 3 is page 4. Go ahead and write the title Test Analysis. Next to page 4 is page 5. Go ahead and write the title ISN Quizzes. On the back of page 5, go ahead and glue down your thinking maps first, and then put a page number and a title. So glue the thinking maps page down first, and then put the page number and the title. And page 7 is where we're going to put a unit cover for our Weather and Oceans unit. Your pictures do not have to be exactly like mine. You can use different colors. You can draw them in different places. If you know a little bit more about Weather and Oceans and you want to add more pictures or draw different pictures, that is fine. The next thing that I want you to do is go ahead and number your ISN up to about page 20. So on the back of page 7, it's page 8. Next to it's page 9. On the back of page 9, it's 10. Next to it is page 11. And keep going until you get to about page 20 or 21. Do not waste time numbering your whole book, please. Just go up to about page 20. Once you have finished that, you should have one other sheet of paper that needs to be put into the ISN, and that is your periodic table. Your periodic table is going to be kept in the back of your ISN. So if you go to the back of your ISN and open it up, you are going to tape it down on this back inside cover. Once you have finished with that, you are done with your ISN setup. We will be talking about covers at a later date because you will be required to make an ISN cover. But other than that, good job, and I look forward to having a successful year with you.